On Super Sunday, Sunday the 25th, big game here between the YourSpace Sharks and the HPP Hurricanes. HPP obviously in the HPP colors of the black and yellow, going from your right left, and the YourSpace Sharks in the colors, or in the light colors, going from left to right. The two junior boys being pulled up into the seniors, Callum and Duncan. 2 meter given. Strong take.
Let's be quicker, boys.
You're not in a... Oh, check this! Hey! That's what we call BCWL fans. Go, Michael! Go, Mickey! You're so fine! Coach Storm imploring his players to get themselves organised. Ball across. Van der Merwe. Oh! Tries the sneaks. Not good enough, says Coach Luke. Gonna have to do better from there, boys, is the call. Right. The Hurricanes. Free in to the boys in black and yellow. A stinger of a shot, but it doesn't hit the back. Ball up. Very interesting this. The different strategies in play by Coach Meacham and Coach Siebert. Coach Page, you can see, is playing a very tight press game with man-to-man marking and not giving the YourSpace Sharks any wiggle room on attack. Storm, on the other hand, is actually pulling players up the pillow, as you can see. Getting that ball across. Sharks. Back. Hurricanes. Look, he looks. He turns around. Great save. Long ball up. Actually, Coach Storm says no, and that goes straight into the hole. A strong lever around. Coach Siebert playing playing the counter-attack strategy, where it has to happen and it has to happen quick. And this is where it works. Callum Ryan looks around. Oh! 2 meter given. There's really nothing in this game at the moment. Van der Merwe getting swamped and losing the ball. 3-on-1 clash. Sees the YourSpace Sharks going up, or sorry, the HPP Hurricanes in possession, but it gets snuffed out. Long ball, what a perfect shot, oh, wow. That was a sublime pass, didn't execute properly at the end. But the number one for the, is that Josh Joyce? What a perfectly weighted pass by Josh. Oh! No foul is the call. Van der Merwe making some ground for himself. Oh, he spins him. Strong take. 3 in. 3 inside. Ball under. Ryan is open. Van der Merwe looks around. The YourSpace Sharks now. Can they turn this pressure into points? Back to Van der Merwe. Van der Merwe puts it onto his good arm, looks around, takes a shot. You're gonna have to get more power on behind it there to worry Gabriel Pearce from that distance. All to play for. You can see that the stands are on the edge of their seats. Edge of their seats. Goal time! Number 4. HPP Hurricanes. There's no bench. Oh! Oh! Communication needed here for the Artspire, or the YourSpace Sharks. Oh, great goal! Another fantastic goal there. But don't forget, this is fast fives. Van der Merwe finds Ryan. Ryan, hand on chest. Strong save there again from Josh, or from Gabriel Pearce. Back up the pool we go. Oh, what a carry. Gets it across to Ryan. Ryan finds Van der Merwe. Van der Merwe's got the time. What an excellent stop. What an excellent stop. Van der Merwe looks across, finds Ryan. Ryan puts it on the pin. And that's half time. Duncan, you two just calm down. You're playing brilliant. I echo the thoughts there of Coach Storm. The boys in front there just need to calm it down a little, reevaluate their shooting technique and get those balls in the net. But it's 3-1. This is not a done deal, eh?
Anything can happen.
Anything can happen, and in Buffalo City Winter League, we found out that anything probably does happen as we go around. Of course, our resident Kardashians now basking in the sun. I'm tired, says Coach Towns. You say you're tired, it's fine. We can organize a pillow. Maybe a duvet. A little hammock perhaps.
Oh, that'll work.
The best polo player. Now, Michael, let it be known that you've been called out as the best polo player. Should you not?
He scored the free score.
He's got it. There we go. A high five. He did. Actually, the proof, it's science. It's basic science. Theoretically, factually, Michael is the best player, probably in the world. Probably in the world. Let's go, Mike. HPP Hurricanes 3-1 up. So just so everybody knows where I'm getting my elocution lessons from, Tanya King will happily do speech therapy with anybody that's watching for free, so you can get that Somerset twang in your draw. Oh, here we go. Strong take. A win for the HPP Hurricanes. Can they pick up where they left off? We didn't actually go over to chat with Coach Storm or Coach Page at halftime. Van Merva, strong carry, getting close, and loses it. 5 meter given for the Archspire Marlins. Oh, sorry, YourSpace Sharks. If you know why I've mixed those two teams up, round of applause to you. And it's a Gabriel Pierce showing these lighties. Welcome to the big leagues. You're under the lights now, says Gabriel Pierce. We're not here to play games down this side. Ryan takes a little bit out of it, looks, pops across. Another 5 meter given.
Yeah. Oh, he's good.
They're too strong.
Yeah.
Goal time! There's only one goal in this. And don't forget, this is fast 5. Ball goes up. 3 given. Ball back to Twitch. Nice ball in front. Waits a call from Coach Storm. Finds Callum. The shot needs to come. Sorry. Kick out. across. And the miss keeps this game still with 1 goal in it. Drive is the call. Drive is the call from Coach Storm. Inside. There needs to be communication. The YourSpace Sharks leaving 2 up. Long ball quick from Toysh. Can they capitalize? Gabriel Pierce having an absolutely fantastic game. Owen gets it up. Don't worry, I'll do me, you do you, champ. Oh! It was there. The 3-2 or 4-2. The ball comes up, free. I don't know if you can see in the background here. 3 given. Oh, a soft pass. (5-2) the score. I don't know if you can see Coach Storm with all his players in the pool. He's got no subs in there. So the 5 guys that are in the pool now have had absolutely no break. Yes, it must be tough, but this is where champions are made. Because come term 4, what you're baking in the oven now is going to be what's on the dessert table come IPT. Play the ball, it's a quick play. Choice comes out of it, but he decides not to. Great save! 5 meter. Oh! You don't see that every day. Joyce gets it straight up. Van der Merwe is there. The ball goes up. Gabriel Pierce having an absolute cracking game. .180 seconds left. Only 3 goals in it. 3 minutes to play. Van der Merwe. This guy can shoot. He backs himself. Takes it up into the corner. Goes right in. A nice pass, but it just doesn't get there. And that's another one, 6-2. And what's being very clear here is, and yes, you can argue, oh, there's a bench, there's no bench. The truth is, the link play at the moment between the YourSpace Sharks just isn't really there. Van der Merwe makes another press. 5 meter given. Callum Ryan steps up to take one. Gabriel Pierce has been informed. It goes sailing over the bar. 6-2. Oh, strong take. He drives through the center. And they're one. Up he goes. Ryan, play. Carry is the call. We're in the last minute. Van der Merwe. Ryan. Quick turn. Joyce goes up. Seconds left. If it's going to be, there's not going to be a change in the winner is decided, but not the score. Go. 6-3, and that's it. 6-3. Well done to the HPP High Performance Polo Hurricanes against the YourSpace Sharks. Great game. Thank you to everybody. Thank you, Car Connection, our gold tier sponsor. Thank you, Invest Securities. Thank you, Twizza. Thank you, PhotoQuip. Thank you to all the team sponsors that come out and play and make this possible. Thank you to all the fans, the super fans. And thank you to all the parents, the coaches, the table, the merch, the coffee, everybody here. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next one. Love having you on. 2 more games left on Super Sunday. See you soon.